Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so you know what to change. Check power, coax/Ethernet cables, and LED activity on modem and router. Write down the router model and firmware version. Run a speed test beside the router to capture download, upload, and ping as your baseline. Once done, disconnect streaming boxes and unused phones so traffic drops. Make sure to pick 4 GHz for distant rooms, and 5 GHz when you're within 10-20 feet for best throughput. You now dive into router settings to remove performance bottlenecks. Log into the router web UI, update firmware, and change the admin password to prevent rogue changes. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the least congested channel and set channel width, 20 MHz for crowded 4 GHz, 40-80 MHz on 5 GHz if clear. Next, enable CoS to prioritize video or gaming, disable legacy 802.11b/G rates to reduce airtime waste, and assign fixed DHCP leases to important devices. You finish by eliminating environmental and coverage problems that cause lag. Move the router to a central elevated spot about 1 to 2 meters high and keep it clear of metal, thick walls, and microwaves. Angle antennas for coverage. If dead zones remain, try Ethernet backhaul, a power line adapter, or a mesh system and test speeds after each change. If lag persists, reboot the modem, power cycle the router, and as a last resort factory reset, or temporarily replace the router to determine if hardware is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.